New features rolling out in Manus AI and not sure what they actually change? Here's how to understand the real impact of Manus AI updates on your workflow. Start by reviewing the official update notes or changelog released by Manus AI whenever a new version launches. Focus on what has changed in areas like automation, task handling, integrations, speed, or AI reasoning capabilities. Next, compare how the platform behaved before and after the update by testing your usual workflows with the same prompts or tasks. Pay attention to improvements such as faster responses, better accuracy, more automation steps, or new tools that reduce manual work. You should also evaluate whether the update affects your productivity, content quality, or workflow efficiency in real-world use rather than just reading feature announcements. Finally, monitor community feedback and creator discussions to see how other users are adapting to the changes and whether there are known limitations or benefits from the latest update. Now you know how to evaluate Manus AI updates and see their real impact on your workflow.